welcome to this video. And in this video, we are going to see a brand new series that is innovation and entrepreneurship in ChatGPT or with ChatGPT, right? So, we are going to dive deep into this topic and how this exciting intersection of AI, innovation, and entrepreneurship is there, right? So, specifically, we'll explore how AI like tools like Chat GPT can transform business models, drive AI startups, and foster the entrepreneurship market. Okay, so in the first video, like the first video is basically we are going to see what we are going to see. Yeah, so that is was done perfect. Yeah. So the first video will be totally about the introduction of AI driven innovation, right? That how we are going to see that AI, see, as so far we must be knowing that AI has become a key key driver for innovation, transformation, like transforming traditional businesses and like everything, right? So chat gpt, that is a like language model, offers a numerous possibilities for businesses to innovate by optimizing their customer needs, customer satisfaction, generating ideas, and like automation their processes, right? So as we know that AI is doing this everything for us, right? So we don't need to see this thing like importance of AI in business, right? So they are doing like everything that is there, they are doing like it in there. Okay, so now AI driven innovation business model products. Okay, so see what we have. AI has revolutionized the way of business innovation operations, like transforming the changes of business model, product development. ChatGPT plays a crucial role in landscape and driving the efficiency, a new idea across various sectors. That is perfect. That we have all that we already know, right? We need to learn something new. Now, okay. Now, when it comes to transforming the business models, okay. So see, like traditional business models are increasingly being disrupted by AI technologies. That is true. That is true. AI allows business to utilize data driven insight, as we have seen this thing millions of times throughout the course, that it is all about data driven, right? That's it, right? Decision making, leading more agile customer centric approaches, and like all those things. So that is how it is transforming the traditional business models, right? And now enhancing interaction with customers with chat gpt, right? So we always enhance customer interaction with the help of chat gpt, as we have already discussed it million times. I'll not waste time over here. Personalized marketing, we have already discussed it. I'll not waste time over here. Leveraging the content, I'll not waste time. So this is something which again we have already discussed, but let's give an insight of this. Like, what is internal automation benefit? Basically, chat gpt automates various internal process such as hr inquiries and scheduling. So basically all the process that we have seen, right? That HR processes and all those things, they can be totally automated with the help of this, right? Enabling staff to focus on high level tasks rather than on this minor task, right? So this increase organizational efficiency and allows you the better resource management and overall improvement in productivity. That is fine. Perfect. Yeah, here comes the case study of skincare product customization, right? Now, so see, AI application is in the skincare industry, where companies utilize Chat GPT to create personalized skincare routines. Now try to understand this thing very carefully, right? Everybody has a different type of a skin, right? In various regions, you have various types of skin, so you cannot make a generic product, is it right? You cannot make a generic project, right? So what you can do with the help of chat gpt, what the skincare industry is doing, they are creating a personalized skincare routines based on the individual customer profile, right? So that is being done. What they do, they just ask few questions, right? They just ask for some data, right, from their customers. And when the customer provides that data, or maybe like in which region you live, right, how much glasses of water you drink, or anything like that, right? All these things are they demand, and then they feed that data in chat gpt, and chat gpt gives a personalized skincare routine. It's that simple, right? This is not only enhances customer engagement, but also boosts the satisfaction and repeat purchases, right? Of course, because since they are getting everything as a personalized thing, right? They are getting everything as like a personalized thing. So yes, of course they will again and they will come again and again, right? So yeah, AI driven product innovation. Okay, so AI is revolutionizing how entrepreneurs concise and develop their project, enhancing the ideation. Yeah, so see, when it comes to AI driven product innovation, right? See, innovation is all about the idea that you have, right? You just have to chain up all the things properly, right? And AI is the best part. The chat GPT is best part to do that for you, right? See, now how it does that. So enhancing the ideation and research processes. So as we discussed that thing in, I guess, very first lecture, that in the definition of chat GPT, that it is, there to enhance your research work and all those things. So we have already discussed this in like one or two first or second video. We have discussed this thing. So yes, here comes the research purpose. For any kind of innovation that you are doing, you can always use ChatGPT, of course, guys. Leveraging AI tools like ChatGPT can be a streamlined innovation, optimize R&Ds, and establishing a robust feedback mechanism. See, instead, when it comes to R&Ds, right? So instead of reading the books, instead of going here and there, what you can do, you can simply come to ChatGPT and you can use ChatGPT for any kind of your R&D that is there, right? Any kind of R&D, any kind of I can say your ideation or like whatever you're doing, right? So now how we can do it basically, right? Importance of product ideation, as I told you. See, product ideation is a crucial business success. Yes, it is a crucial business success, because if you're see, there are two parts to create a business, right? One is idea, the second one is execution, right? So it's like if you have a right idea but you don't execute it in a right way, right? You'll get a failure kind of a thing, right? Of course you will get that. But if you have an idea, right, if you're executing it, then of course you will get a success, right? Second scenario is, if you don't have an idea but your execution is right, still you will get some success. But since idea is not that much scalable, so maybe you'll not land up to a scalable product. But yes, that there comes the point that ideation is very important, right? So AI tools can analyze the trend and the customer need, right? So what they can do, and like they can just get you a right way for innovation ideas, and resonate the target audience and all those things. So you can always figure out that what is my target audience, how much traffic I would be getting, and all those things, right? So utilizing chat gpt for brainstorming. So as I told you, like chat gpt facilitates brainstorming session by providing the insight and suggestion based on the extensive data, right? This accelerate the creating process, enabling the entrepreneurs to explore diverse product ideas quickly and effectively. So yeah, brainstorming ke liye, of course, we can use this chat GPT anywhere, anytime. R&D assistant, as we have already discussed, that chat GPT can accelerate the R&D by analyzing data patterns and summarizing the complex information. Chat GPT can assist entrepreneurs in accessing relevant research, aiding the informed decision making and product development. Of course, yeah, that is fine. Perfect. Establishing a feedback loop. Yeah, of course, you can have a implementing feedback loop is vital for refining the products post launch. Of course, see, once your product is launched, you always need to get the feedbacks, like what are the feedbacks of your customer, and based on those feedback you can always enhance your things, your ideation, your innovation, and all those things. Like, that's how the company works basically. Chat gpt gather the customer feedbacks efficiently and summarizing the insight that guide alternatively. So basically, as I told you, it is nothing but your full-time assistant, right? Chat gpt is nothing but your full-time assistant. Okay, so that is what it is doing. So from starting right from the ideas, right, starting right from the idea generation to getting the feedback post launch, right? Chat gpt is there to do everything, your brainstorming, your r&d, your feedback, or like everything that is there for a product building, right? Chat gpt or AI is always there to help you with it, right? So yeah, that was it. And okay, perfect. Now we have a case study for AI in fashion design, right? AI in fashion design. Okay, so AI driven fashion design companies uses ChatGPT to analyze social media trends and generate new design ideas. Now see, let me give you an example of it, right? So suppose when it comes to fashion industry, so how they manipulate you. Let's try to understand this thing, right? How they manipulate. So these industries, right, there is always a supply demand change, right? There is always supply demand change. And now, since we know the fashion industry, they change almost every day, right? They always change almost every day. But still these companies manage, right? They don't produce excess of stuff so that they are landing up to a situation of overstocking, and they don't produce less stuff so that they are managing the state of stock outs, right? So they are just producing the balanced stuff. And how they are doing it? How they are doing it? They are using the AI. They are using the AI to figure out what trend is getting in boom and what trend is having a downfall. So if they see that, okay, this trend is having a downfall, so they reduce their manufacturing, right? And the trend which is in boom, they produce excess, they increase their manufacturing, right? So this is how they are, the fashion designing companies, they are using the AI for their product discussion and all those things, right? So this approach enables rapid resonance of evolving customer preferences and ensuring the relevance in the competitive market. So as I told you, the same thing, one and the same thing. Yeah, so conclusion is basically, for conclusion and future outlook is that the fusion of AI and entrepreneurship is reshaping the business landscape, enabling the innovation solution that addresses emerging market needs. This section summarizes the key insight or like into how AI participating, yeah, whatever it is, right? So basically, the whole motive is that how you can integrate AI with your entrepreneurship, or basically when it comes to your startups, right? So in the next video, we are going to discuss about the startups, that how you can incorporate AI in your startup, basically, right? So yeah, that's it for this video. Let's get a summary. So if you are trying to make a business, if you're trying to make a startup, if you are an entrepreneur, right, you can always use ChatGPT for your idea generation, for your feedback collection, for all your brainstorming methods, for all your automation methods, right? From basically from getting an idea to post launch feedbacks, everything can be done with the help of ChatGPT. All you need to do is just you need to know how things are being done, right? So yep, that's it, I guess, for this video. Next video, we are going to see how entrepreneurship, basically how we can have a AI kind of a thing in your startups, right? So it's a entrepreneurship case studies. Okay, so it's a typical word to pronounce, but yes, of course we'll do that. So meet you again in the next video. Till then, bye bye, thank you.